This is the 2018 Sunset Trail. It's the 26SI, a rear bath floor plan. About 28 foot, half-ton towable. It's a 2-slide, electric tongue jack, electric stabilizer jacks, electric awning. This one's got an outside kitchen. Big outside kitchen, big refrigerator, gas grill, sink, electric jacks, outside stereo, the More Ride stable steps, two slides in the living space with table and chairs, a jackknife bed sofa, big island kitchen, solid surface Corian counters, no particle board. Got a big barrel roof, gives you a lot of space inside. TV for the living space, a fireplace furnace. This one has a gas and electric hot water heater. It's one hot water heater with 2 fuel. Lots of storage. Lots of storage. More storage. Place for a trash can. Pots and pans. Got a queen bed up front with a stargazer window. Television for mom and dad. Because it's a rear bath, we're going to have a huge bathroom space. Lots of leg room. A glass door, corner shower. Lots of storage for the bath. Deep storage for the bathroom. Medicine cabinet. It's a clean RV, it's lightweight, it's easy to tow, it is loaded with options.